Have you ever wondered what public relations or PR truly is? We're going to break it down into simple terms. Public relations is a field focused on managing communication between an organization and its public. At its core, PR is about managing an organization's reputation and shaping its public perception through strategic communication. Whether you are a large company, a nonprofit, or an individual, PR is essential for building trust and maintaining positive relationships with stakeholders. Let's explore some of the main functions a PR team handles. Media relations involves working with journalists and media outlets to get positive press coverage for your organization or client. Crisis management is vital for handling negative events. It involves quick, transparent communication to mitigate damage and restore public trust. Internal communications focuses on keeping employees informed and engaged, which builds a strong company culture and ensures everyone is aligned with the company's goals. Community relations involves actively participating in local initiatives to build goodwill and trust within the areas where you operate. PR professionals are storytellers, creating compelling content like press releases and articles to share the organization's narrative effectively. A common point of confusion is the difference between PR and advertising. Let's clarify that. The key distinction is that PR is primarily, quote, earned media, meaning favorable coverage gained through relationships and effort. Advertising is paid media. You buy the space. PR often carries more weight because the message comes from a third-party source, like a journalist, giving it higher credibility than a paid ad. So who exactly needs and benefits from strong public relations? For businesses, PR is crucial for building brand awareness, improving customer perception, and driving sales through positive public exposure. Nonprofits rely on PR to drive mission awareness, attract donors, and mobilize volunteers for their causes. Individuals, especially those in the public eye, use PR for personal branding, managing their image, and career advancement. In short, public relations is a strategic communication process. It's all about storytelling with a purpose, to influence perception, build relationships, and maintain trust. Thank you for watching. Visit us www.mediaofficers.com. If you found this explanation helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.